So hello everyone and welcome on this stream. So today we are trading Nasdaq with my 25k account. Here you can see, so the account balance is zero. I don't know why, but it's a 25k account with $10,000 of trailing drawdown. I can't see a trade in gold because the market is very choppy and I don't want to get in such a choppy market. Coming on Nasdaq, I had this model 2022 from here, but I was hesitant towards taking this trade because you can see the market was how much of uh, low resistance liquidity in was a low resistance liquidity and conditions. I mean chopping market this was, so I did not take this trade. And right now from here we can see the market is going in a quite a good price action, so we can think of taking a trade after here. So we will be looking towards a trade very soon. I think the market will go a little above 30,000 level and then it will start to retrace. Let me mark the new week opening. Here is the end dog. New week opening gap, weekday, Monday, May 25, 2025. This one is low. This one is high. So we can expect our price run back to this new week opening gap. The market has already run like 200 points plus, or I say 300 points. So I'm expecting the market to reject a little bit after from the 30,000 level. Let's look at daily time frame. Let me delete the lower ones. Okay, I deleted the bad one. I'm in the wrong one. Okay, so I think the market is already overstretched. Let me use my fib from this low to this high and do -5. I think -5 is going lower. Okay, so here is the -5. We'll do -3, -2.5, -3.5, -4 and -4.5. I think this is the level -3 or -3.5 from which the market will start to reject lower, according to me. But currently now I think the market will go towards the -3 levels, so I think I will hop into a trade very soon. So this was the macro time frame. Just at the macro time frame we had an entry, and now it's going up to the upside. And but for now we don't have any entry. Let's look at MES. The MES showing the same kind of uh, price action, but I think we have a here 858, 859, and it is 859 and 8 1041 ISMT. We have, let's say, SMT, MES 848 was, that was right. Let's take this one, and with this one, what was that? Let me see again, I forgot. 1042. Let's have it this one. So this is our SMT, and the market will come back to clear this SMT. We will wait for a inversion or any kind of any such else price action to retrace lower. Let me go to daily time frame and try that 2.5 as well. 2.5 is here, so I think the market will surely go to 3. I am having impulse to take this fair value gap as a trade, but there is no significance of this fair value gap right now, so I won't be taking a trade from here. Let's look at gold. The gold is still in a choppy price action, and we don't have any kind of trade still now. So all we can do is wait and have patience for our perfect setup. So we are just waiting for a perfect moment to get a trade. Let's wait like 9 a.m. up to 9 a.m. and see if we get any trades. Else we will go close the stream and look for the trades in the London session. if we get lower low here, I'm not willing to take a trade at all, because we don't have a body candle close above this from here. So the inversion that will be made going to be a valid one, so it would be better to wait. If we get a lower low here, I would like to go for a inversion to the upside. I'm not willing to take a trade in the lower side till now. Is this a suspension block? Let me see if this is a suspension block. If this is a suspension block, then we can have a trade from here. We don't have any suspension block. Let's see its closing. 29 450 946.75, 29 950 opening house. It's the same opening, so this is not a suspension block at all. MOIM is as usual volume less. MGC, as I had thought, it is in jagged price action till now. Thankfully, I did not take a trade in this market. I think it would be better to take a trade today or in this session for sure. Do you think the market will reject from here? Because I don't think so. The market will reject from here. One thing that I'm interested to see is a body candle close below this low, mitigation of this fair value gap. Then a body candle close above this high. Then we can take look for longs to the upside. We might look for all the way to -3 level, that is 172. So let's see if this could be a big trade for us. I'm still waiting for a body candle close below the lower drawn line. So we don't have any kind of body candle closer below here, neither a mitigation of this block. That makes this outer block a candidate for the inversion confirmation. If we get a body candle close over here, then we can look for this candle to be inversion fair value gap, but only if we get a body candle close above here. Then I can look for a long just from here. Stop loss will come here. Maybe I can go 5 6, yeah, 6 lots, I mean 6 contracts. And if I place my TP all the way up here, I'm going home with like $2,400. But the thing is, the this inversion must be confirmed with this body candle closer, but that has yet not happened, so we can't take a trade from here till now. I'm sure the market will come to mitigate this fair value gap and then give a body candle closer above low high above this high, only then we can take a trade. The market has become a little choppy here, but still it is a good price action than the previous time here. I think we will have the mitigation very soon. Yep, so we had the mitigation of this fair value gap, and now I want to see a market structure shift from here. I want to see a market structure shift from here. I can take a trade from here, and I'm also getting like a what I say, pre-trade FOMO or pre-trade impulse, that I took a trade something like this, and that went to the TP. Let's take a trade again like that, but I'm not doing that this time. I must get a body candle close above here. It is as high, lower low. There is no body candle closer here, so we get a body candle closer here. The market comes back to mitigate this inversion fair value gap. I take a trade from here, and that would be the trade. Now there can be a better trade here if we can get a body candle close below this low. I think which we have. Now if we get a body candle close above this high, then we can have a breaker, but I don't think we should use this one as breaker because this is going to be a very foolish trade. Okay, so we are kind of getting a good price action here. Let's see if I can get a body candle close up of this. I think if this is my entry, this becomes my stop loss. $132. I think I will lower this to 5. Okay, and if you go for 1 is to 10 RR instead of going all the way to -3, that is here, I will get $2,000. But I don't think this trade is kind of feasible or makes sense. I can go for 1 is to 10 RR the best. But right now we are in a consolidation. Let's see if this breaker is respected. That is here. If we had taken a trade from this breaker, the stop loss would be here, and entry will come towards this place, actually here, and stop loss would be here. So we could have reached a whole one mini in this trade, and target for, if our target remained the same, it would be $2,000. If we go to minus 10, it would be $4,000, but let's remain at $1,000 only for the time being. I feel this is a good trade, so let me place a order. It's a long from here. Mitigation, this fair value gap is already mitigated. We have a breaker here, and we are taking, looking for 1 is to 10 RR, right? 1 is to 10 point something. We can easily go for 150. Let's see if this trade works or not. If we make this 15 confirm, our, I think we should be getting a trade very soon. This order block, this uh, breaker block is yet not respected and mitigated. Yes, you can see, yes, it is mitigated here, but we need another mitigation. We want another mitigation of this breaker block long. So all we can do is just wait and see if the market mitigates, if we get a stop loss or something else is there for us. And this is the only trade I'm going to take in this session right now. So just have patience and let's see what happens. I hope we get an entry, but if we don't, just don't mind. We don't have any entries till now, so just have patience. That's all we can have right now. The market can come to fill this volume imbalance. I think I should lower my trade to somewhere here. This is okay. I'm just hoping the market will give a candle to mitigate this breaker block. If I increase the to 144 or say $153, then my TP becomes $3,000. I think this is the risk I'm taking all the time, so it is good to take a trade risk here as well. Or I should move the stop loss to here, but I don't think that will help anything. Let's look at gold. Till then the gold is going lower, but after all this choppiness I don't think anyone would be able to hold on to this trade, not with her account that I am having. Let's look at MES. The MES is making higher highs than a ascending triangle. The NQ is coming down. Maybe we will have the entry now. Maybe not sure, but we may have an entry now. If we do this a little lower, this is also good. I hope this trade holds on, or we will be just fucked up. So we would have taken an entry if I had not moved my entry to the lower, but it is okay because I think the market will come lower than this. We have this volume imbalance, and I'm sure the market will come to fill this. Right now, so just wait. Okay, so we think we are in the trade, and this is going bad. took our stop loss. So we are $178 in losses right now. I think I should have waited for the market to give us the right time to trade, but it's okay. Sell stop somewhere here. Let's see what is our stop loss. How much is our stop loss? We are risking $28 in this trade, and I am feeling very bad right now. We are going for 250, $300, 3000 sell limit. I hope this does not get into a loss as well. I think this was an impulsive trade, but I will hold on to this now. If we lose this account, I will be very sad. I think the greed took over me just right now. I really think the greed took over me, and I placed this trade. If we get a loss in this trade, I am doomed. Really doomed. I'm getting thoughts about moving a stop loss, which I don't want to. I hope this fair value gap holds to from here, and it does not dig deeper into this fair value gap. Looks bad price for me. Let's me draw this what I had thought of a breaker block and see if it still holds. Nah, it does not hold anymore because we have already kind of close below the consequent encroachment. But if we get a body under close above this, I will trail the SL to break even or somewhere here for sure. We have this volume imbalance which the market has filled right now. We are far away from any kind of macro right now, so we will just have to have patience right here. Now I want to see a body candle close above this high to trail my SL to break even. I think this volume imbalance is acting like a resistance now. Like market did not give body candle close above this could be of a problem to us. We got another volume imbalance and upper closure. Okay, so we are let me mark the areas of let me mark some areas here that I think that is going to be very useful for me. First will be $500, this is 560, next is $1,000, this is the $1,000 level, next is 150 level, this is 150 level, next is 2000 level, this is 2000 level, and then we can be rest assured. So now let me mark this because I have to trail my SL accordingly because this is a trailing stop loss trade. 500, right? Okay,